Morning, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday morning. I almost said Sunday mornings. Sunday mornings and Wednesday nights are the times when I usually do these video updates, especially after our morning services and after our Sunday morning services and our Wednesday night services. But I'm trying to do it a little bit different this time that I've done recently. But we do have active weather coming Friday, and I know that's not on a good day, especially when graduation is going on. I know there's some graduations going on tonight, but there's also some going on, or a good portion of them going on tomorrow night. And the last thing I want to hear is active weather with widespread showers and storms being expected, but that is the case tomorrow. Uh, a few of them could become strong to severe during the afternoon, with gusty winds and hail being the primary threat. Of course, in order for them to be severe, be classified as severe, especially for a severe thunderstorm warning, they have to have winds 58 miles per hour or greater, or hail 1 inch in diameter or greater, or larger potentially. And that is a possibility tomorrow. The threat is it's a low and marginal, isolated risk for strong to severe storms. It's a low end threat, but it's not zero. It's a marginal risk, but just because it's a marginal risk does not mean it's zero. So keep that in mind right now. That means, does that mean it's going to be an outbreak? No. It's a low end severe weather risk, but it's not. It is not a zero risk. So that means you need to make sure your NOAA weather radios are working. Hopefully they are. They went off for the test yesterday morning or after it goes on between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. every Wednesday, weather permitting. They did it yesterday, and could be doing it tomorrow, potentially. Not likely, but potentially. So be sure that's working, and make sure you have a free, try not to sneeze, um, be sure you have a free, reliable weather app on all of your mobile devices. And that means if you get I'm trying not to sneeze, I apologize. If um, if you get the Huntsville TV stations, or if your TV gets the Huntsville TV stations such as WFF 48, Way 31, WHNT 19, the North Alabama CW, which is Channel 15, and obviously WCDX News, Fox 54. They have apps on they have mobile apps, and they're free. Be sure you download them on all of your mobile devices. If you get the Birmingham TV stations on your TV, such as Channel 42, Channel 6, Channel 13, and ABC 3340, and Channel 23. Now, Channel 23 does not have an app, but Channel 42, Channel 6, Channel 13, and ABC 3340, they have apps on they have mobile apps and they're free. Be sure you download them. If you get the Nashville stations, the Nashville TV stations, they have apps too. Be sure you download them on all of your mobile devices. Um, Same thing in the Columbus Tupelo area. If you get the Columbus Tupelo TV stations on your TV, they have apps too, and they're free. Download them. Be sure they're set for your current location and fixed locations as well. And make sure you have a plan, know what to do, know where to go, and you'll have a readiness kit, and you'll be just fine. But it's not going to be an outbreak. It's a low end risk, but it's not zero. And again, don't panic. Don't have any fear or anxiety from it. Just have a plan, know what to do, know where to go, have multiple ways of receiving severe weather information, and you'll be just fine. I'll do I'll try to do another video update later on this evening. I am. Yeah, man. Well, I apologize for that. I was trying not to sneeze. But anyway, uh, again, it's a marginal risk. It's a marginal risk for isolated, strong to severe storms. It's not a high end threat, it's a low end threat, but it's not zero. Again, gusty winds 58 miles per hour or greater, and hail 1 inch in diameter, or maybe greater than that potentially. Those are all possible, and it's mainly in the afternoon, from what I've heard so far. There's no need to panic, just be sure you have multiple ways of receiving severe weather information, have a plan, know what to do, know where to go, have a readiness kit, and you'll be okay. You'll be just fine. If something changes, I'll keep you advised. But right now, that's the situation that we have. Again, I'll try. This is the only video update I'm doing for now. I'll try to do, if I can, I'll do another one this afternoon or evening after work. But y'all have a wonderful day rather, and I'll see you in the drive-thru at McDonald's in Tuscumbia on 412 US 43 South in Tuscumbia, Alabama. And we're still drive-thru only. I don't know when we're going to have the lobby open. I'll keep you advised. Y'all have a wonderful day, and be safe, and God bless.